Hi everybody and welcome. Today I had a JBL PartyBox Encore 2 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily use the microphone. So, the microphone that comes with your speaker looks like that exactly. So, at first to use it, we have to click this button. But as you can see, we can't hear anything. So, now you have to find a volume button, but be careful, it may be loud, and you have to scroll it to the right to increase the volume level. Now, as you can see, you can hear me with the echo and double, you can hear me through the speaker. If you want to, for example, delete the echo we have here, we have to just scroll with the echo button to the left to disable echo. We can increase the volume level of our speaker or completely disable it. As you can see now, I'm talking to my microphone and nothing is happening. Now I can hear myself and now I can't hear myself. Now I can and now I not. We have to remember that we have to charge this microphone before use, and this LED light has to be turned on. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!